Justin Dale Bozic tucked home the winner with 20 seconds remaining in the second overtime period, giving the Steinbach Pistons a 3-2 victory and a 2-0 lead in the Addison Division semifinal series. After the game, Portage defenseman Matt Alexander talked about the team's performance.
Extremely disappointed. I mean, we played our hearts out there in the end. It's a shame we didn't start out like we did in the end, and I think if we would have done that, we would have had this game in the bag.
The series shifts back to the Automobile City for Game 3. Captain Cajun McKay talks about what the Terriers need to do to be successful.
I think we got to use our speed. I mean, they're big players, but I think we got a faster team, and yeah, we just got to keep our momentum up, and I don't think they can keep up with us in their end once we're moving.
The Terriers and Pistons drop the puck on Game 3 Wednesday night at 7:30 in Steinbach. For Golden West Broadcasting, I'm Jeff Dick.